Hello and welcome to my M2. So I wanted to make a different kind of video, a video I wanted to make for kind of a really long while as far as my time goes on YouTube. And that's really a POV driving style video. Now it's not just one video I want to make a couple different POV style videos. And yeah, I saw a couple YouTubers kind of doing these style videos, like most notably Tedward. Big fan of his videos, just kind of the way he talks as he kind of drives and does like POV videos. Really big fan of those, so I wanted to kind of do something similar. So I'm going to be testing this out. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Why did I want to make videos like this? Well, I really like these POV shots because one, you can kind of see the car, you can see the beautiful roads I'm driving on, and two, it gives me an easy opportunity to be able to talk about a lot of different content and a lot of topics or whatever without really any setup. And what I mean by that is, like, if I record like an actual video, I have to set up the tripod, I have to set up the shots, I have to do a little bit of scripting, and it's a bit of a pain to do. Whereas this, you just kind of put it on your head and you're good to go. So what kind of videos do I want to make? Well, pretty much exactly what I said, just quick, easy videos that I can talk about different things. So I have like a lot of different rants that I usually rant about, like whenever my girlfriend's in the passenger seat or someone is with me. What I tend to do is I just kind of rant and ramble. Yeah, I might as well get those rambles on video because 90% of those rambles have to do with the road or cars or anything in between. So let's get into our first topic. Now, I know this video is a little bit out of order. Like, first I should probably start with the actual content of the video and then go into some of the whys behind the video, but it's a tester video anyway. It's probably not going to be the best, so why not, right? But the thing I want to talk about in this video is driving roads. More specifically, the lack of driving roads where I live. So I live in Connecticut, and if you know anything about Connecticut, you know it's a very small state, very densely populated state, and 90% of the state is comprised of cities, and in between those cities you have suburbs. The issue that you have is there's nowhere to drive your car. You have to find roads like this, because if you look at these roads, these are very beautiful, out in the open. Like right now, it kind of looks like garbage. There's a little bit of snow on the road. It was the first day of spring yesterday, so you know, you would think we actually start to see spring, but not today, not yet. Imagine these trees like in the fall time when the leaves are all falling, or in the summertime when it's all green and luscious. Beautiful driving roads, and you have to like go so far out of your way to find these roads. Like, it sucks. It genuinely sucks. I just wish that there were more roads like this. Like, I don't know how else to say this. Like, I know there's nothing that can really be done, but I just wish there were more roads, because there's only so much spirited driving and like fun driving that you could do on like not roads like this. Like, you go to a residential or a highway, there's only so much that you could do as far as spirited drives go. Whereas here, you can at least push the car a little bit. Like, you know, there's no cars around. I've yet to see a single cyclist in the multiple times I've been here. So maybe like one. There was like one person walking their dog like later on in like a different residential area. But overall, like, it's an empty area. The only thing you got to worry about are like deers and raccoons. And I think that's a great opportunity to be able to take your car out and just drive it. And I really want, like, any of you that own like a nice car, and like, if all you do is take it to car shows, if all you do is like just drive to the city, get coffee, like, take the time, find a beautiful road like this and go driving. Like, even if you have to take your daily driver to just find and source a beautiful road, like, please, like, do yourself a favor. Like, take the time to find a road like this. And I know not this, like, this isn't really the road yet, but like, take the time to find these kinds of roads, because your car deserves to drive down these kinds of areas. Your car deserves, if you have a nice fun car, like, it deserves to like let loose a little bit. Yeah, do yourselves a favor, guys. Like, if you own a beautiful car, like, take it out for a beautiful drive. Like, don't just let your car sit in the garage. Even on roads like this, like, your car is going to probably rust anyway. Like, you shouldn't be afraid to take it out because there's a little bit of salt on the road. Yes, it sucks, corrosion, especially if you live in like New England area. Yes, corrosion sucks, we know. But your car is probably gonna rust anyway from age. You might as well take it out. Half you guys probably trade your cars in every 2-3 years anyway. So just enjoy the car. And like, the cars are meant to be driven. Like, if you just wait and wait for the perfect day to take your car out, like, the day might never come where you have the perfect day to take your car out. Like, the perfect like 70-degree day. The sky is like perfectly blue and cloudy. There's not a single car on the road, no traffic, nothing. Like, that day it probably just is never gonna come where every star is aligned. So you might as well just enjoy the drive and just bring your car out somewhere. Point being, like, look at these beautiful driving roads. Like, your car deserves to have some roads like this. You know, let it loose, let that engine go, let that engine work. Your car deserves it. Ah, man, I do wish I had another spot to pull over so I can look at that lake over there and show you guys. But really beautiful area. Finding roads like this is very difficult, and like, I'm glad I found this area. Like, it's a well-known area in Connecticut as far as like a driving road, kind of doing a lap around this area. I don't think many car people really talk about this area, and I think it's a bit of a shame. It's a beautiful area. For now, I think that's probably gonna be it. So now I'm hitting some residentials again. Yeah, I think we're gonna close off this video, and I'll see what feedback I get on this. I'll see how it comes out. If you like this video, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos. Let me know what you want to hear me talk about. Let me know if you just want to hear the engine sounds. That's really gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, until next time.